Good morning. Happy Vlogmas. Happy first of the month. A lot of people don't like the first of the month because the rent is due. All the bills are due. But I actually like when it's the first of the month. A fresh start. I actually like paying my bills on time, so yeah. Anyways, I'm making me some coffee. I'm gonna have me a cup of coffee. It is 6:30 in the morning. I actually feel much better than I felt yesterday. I feel much better. I think I just needed some rest. My voice still sounds a little weird, but I feel better. Yeah, I have a long day ahead of me, so that's why I'm drinking this coffee. So, what am I doing today? The normal, what I don't want to do, but I have to. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm gonna deep clean my apartment. I'm gonna cook. I need to wrap my daughter's presents, but I forgot to get the wrapping paper. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna just end up wrapping it tomorrow when I get the paper. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm always tired. Yeah. I might show y'all what I'm cooking. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm done deep cleaning. I'm super tired and I hate using bleach, but I have to use it because I have a dog and I need for everything to be clean. It stinks so bad. Like, I'm over here gagging, finna throw up because the bleach stink. And I only use a little bit. I always use a little bit of bleach. But it was still strong and it still made me gag. I gotta find something else to use. I got some ammonia, I'll be using that too. But sometimes I feel like bleach gets everything clean. Oh yeah. So I was at Walgreens and I got these, y'all, for $3. I think, what was it, Walgreens? Yeah, I think. Anyways, for $3. And y'all know this stuff is like $11. I was super geeked. I love this stuff. It works so good on my hair. I'm gonna go back to see if they got some more, but I doubt if they have any more. But I was super geeked. Now I'm gonna take a shower because I feel so icky and just ugh. So I'm gonna take a shower and get ready to cook. I'm cooking jerk chicken, egg rolls. My meat is already done. I got your seasoning on there. Okay, I put the meat up. I gotta finish chopping the meat up some more, but this is how it looks. It tastes so good. I gotta cut my onions and bell peppers up. I think I'm using mozzarella cheese. It tastes so good already. I gotta get my oil going so I can drop them in the grease and the oil is ready. But yeah, this is the meat. And this is what I've done so far. Okay, y'all, I put my onions and bell peppers in there. Hey y'all, so I'm done cooking. I did finish. The egg rolls are so good. I was gonna make some french fries to go with it, but I made the egg rolls so huge. It's like I don't even need nothing to go with it. So I am gonna eat in a minute. I am studying. I have 2 quizzes on Monday, so I have to study. I have some homework to do, so I have to do that. And I have to get my stuff ready for work tomorrow. Then I have to vacuum. That's the last thing I have to do. I cleaned everything up. I just have to vacuum. And yeah, that's that. I'll be back to show y'all my food, my eat. So y'all, this is how my egg rolls came out. They look ugly, but they taste so good. I honestly didn't know what I was doing, obviously, but they came out okay for my first time, and they taste really good. So I guess I did good, I guess. But the next time I make them, they're gonna be perfect, like perfect. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's Vlogmas, the first day. Let's see if I can keep it up. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys are having an amazing Saturday. And I hope you guys, this holiday is going well. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.